In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use search in Outlook to find emails fast, 5 minutes. By the end, you will be able to track down messages in seconds, even if your inbox is overflowing. First, go to Outlook. You can use the web version in your browser or the desktop app, whichever you prefer. Make sure your inbox is open so Outlook knows where to start. If you're using the web, wait a moment for your messages to load fully so search can pull results accurately. Next, click the search box at the top of your inbox. It's right above your message list and stretches across the toolbar. The moment you click it, Outlook usually expands the search area and may show helpful suggestions like recent searches, frequent contacts, or quick filters. If you prefer the keyboard, you can jump straight to the search bar with a common shortcut like Ctrl+E on Windows or Command+E on a Mac. That small habit can save a lot of time. Now type keywords from the email you're looking for. Think of the most distinctive words you remember: a topic, a project name, a unique phrase from the subject, or the sender's name. The more specific your terms, the better your results. If you remember an exact phrase, put it in quotes so Outlook looks for that exact wording. You can also use simple search operators right in the box to be extra precise. For example, type from, followed by a person's name to focus on a sender, or subject, followed by a word you recall from the subject line. If you know the message had a file attached, add has attachment yes to zero in on emails with attachments. You can combine these two, like subject invoice from finance, to narrow things down quickly. If your first try brings back too much, add one more distinctive word. If you get too few, remove a term to broaden the results. Then press enter to run the search. Outlook will display matching emails, typically highlighting the terms you used so you can scan quickly. Look at the subject lines and snippets to confirm you're on the right track. If the list isn't quite right, click back into the search box and adjust your keywords. Add an exact phrase in quotes, refine the sender, or remove anything too generic. Small tweaks usually make a big difference. When you're done, clear the search or hit escape to return to your full inbox. That's all it takes. With a focused search term and a couple of smart refinements, you'll consistently find the right email fast. Practice these tips a few times and they'll become second nature.